We have already filed one writ petition. Notice was issued on 17 November, and we have specifically raised the issue regarding the price surge. And we have said that airlines being an essential services, there has to be some cap on the prices. And now we are faced with this crisis of Indigo. Now, as far as Indigo is concerned, I think it is a man-made misery that has been caused on all the citizens of this nation. There are already guidelines under which all the aircrafts, all the airlines, they are supposed to have three sets of manpower they should have. Like that is to say, three sets of pilots, three set of crew, three set of ground force also. Now, this is not something new. This is not something that has come all of sudden. This is under an aircraft act. There are aircraft rules, and under there are the provisions for the same. They should have a compliance. They cannot hold a country to ransom. That if you don't follow my policy, then you have to face the consequences. And at some point, we have to blame ourselves also that we have got only two dominant domestic players, whether it is Indian Airlines or whether it is Indigo. Right, at one point of a time we were scattered with so many airlines, whether it was Air Deccan, Kingfisher, SpiceJet, and so many more, Jet Airways, Go Indigo. But today we are left with no options. So this is something that, I mean, we cannot ask that you run more airlines. So we have asked that you need to take Indigo, put a heavy fine on them, and may give some compensation to the citizens.